This presentation is for class 7th Andhra Pradesh state syllabus students. The Country Child by Erin Thompson. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet, oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. Let me repeat the stanza. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet, oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. My home is a house near a wood. So, is there any difference between a home and a house? Yes. Home is a place where you love to live along with all your relatives, brothers, sisters, and everybody. But house is a place where only you live. So, this boy's house is very close to wood. Wood means greenery, having lot of trees and other things. The boy feels, the boy feels if he would think to live in a street, he could. That means he has every chance to live in streets, that means in a town where all the houses and everything are located in streets. Here, where the boy lives, the lanes are so quiet. So here you do not find any movement, because in the villages, the people early in the morning, they leave their houses and they go to their fields to do their daily work. So that is the reason there you find quietness. Oh dear, that means he feels very sorry for that. For what? For spending his time alone. I do wish that someone lived near. Here, the boy wishes. The boy wishes somebody would be very close to him, with whom he could play some games, have some fun, everything. So, second stanza. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. Let me repeat. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. There is no one to play with at all. The boy says that there is no one present there to play with him. The trees are so high and so tall. You see, in the villages we find some trees. So, very close to that boy's house also, there are some trees. But the boy says that these trees are very high and very tall. So he could not climb them and he could not enjoy the presence of those trees, or he could not make the trees as a plaything. That is the thing. The boy says, and I should be lonely for hours. So till his parents come, this boy has to lead a lonely life. So the boy says, what? He has to spend the time living alone. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, okay, there are some birds there, some birds are present there, and some flowers are present there. So, suppose if these flowers and birds are not there, then he had to spend the time alone. So, that is the thing. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Let me repeat the stanza. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So the boy says that he wished that he lived in a town to see all the trams, buses, trains, traffic moving up and down in the very colorful streets with lights and everything, with wonderful colors, though it is night. So that is the wish of that boy. The boy wished to live in a town and to see all the trams, buses, trains, and traffic to move up and down. And he wishes to see the colorful streets also made bright by the twinkling street lights during the night. Thank you for watching the presentation.